In our previous video, we discussed the top 5 high-demand skills for online freelancers in 2023. We're now going to dive deeper into each skill and provide you with valuable tips and resources to help you develop these in-demand skills. Let's continue our journey to unlock your potential in the digital era. Let's start with a quick recap of the first high-demand skill, AI and machine learning expertise. To develop your AI and machine learning expertise, consider taking online courses from platforms like Coursera, edX, or Udacity. You can also join AI and machine learning communities, attend webinars, and participate in hackathons to gain hands-on experience. Now let's revisit the second high-demand skill, social media management and influencer marketing. To master social media management and influencer marketing, stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices by following industry blogs and influencers. You can also take online courses or attend workshops to learn about social media analytics, content creation, and influencer outreach strategies. Let's move on to the third high-demand skill, web development and design. To enhance your web development and design skills, consider enrolling in online courses or coding boot camps. You can also practice your skills by building personal projects or contributing to open-source projects. Don't forget to create a portfolio to showcase your work to potential clients. Next, let's delve into the fourth high-demand skill, content creation. To improve your content creation skills, study the work of successful content creators in your niche and analyze what makes their content engaging. You can also take online courses on writing, video production, or graphic design to hone your skills. Practice regularly and seek feedback from peers or mentors to refine your craft. Finally, let's explore the fifth high-demand skill in more detail, project management and remote collaboration. To develop your project management and remote collaboration skills, consider obtaining certifications like PMP or Scrum Master. Familiarize yourself with popular project management and collaboration tools like Trello, Asana, or Slack. You can also join online communities and attend webinars to learn from experienced professionals. Now let's get you started with the 5 tips on how to leverage any of these skills to build a successful freelance career in the digital era. To unlock the secrets to thriving as an online freelancer. First, let's discuss the importance of networking. Tip 1. Networking and building connections. Networking is crucial for freelancers, as it helps you build connections, gain exposure, and find new clients. Attend industry events, join online communities, and engage with fellow freelancers and potential clients on social media platforms. Remember, the more you network, the more opportunities you'll discover. Now let's talk about the value of a strong online presence. Tip 2. Establishing a strong online presence. Having a strong online presence is essential for freelancers in the digital era. Create a professional website or portfolio showcasing your skills, experience, and past projects. Be active on social media platforms and freelance job boards to increase your visibility and attract potential clients. Next, let's explore the importance of clear communication. Tip 3. Effective communication and client management. Effective communication is key to successful client relationships. Be responsive, clear, and concise in your communication. Set realistic expectations, provide regular updates, and address any concerns promptly. By managing your clients effectively, you'll build trust and foster long-lasting partnerships. Now let's discuss the significance of continuous learning. Tip 4. Embracing continuous learning and adaptation. In the ever-evolving digital landscape, it's crucial to stay up to date with the latest trends, technologies, and best practices. Embrace continuous learning by taking online courses, attending webinars, and seeking feedback from peers or mentors. By staying ahead of the curve, you'll remain competitive and attract more clients. Finally, let's talk about the importance of work-life balance. Tip 5. Maintaining work-life balance and avoiding burnout. As a freelancer, it's essential to maintain a healthy work-life balance to avoid burnout. Set boundaries, establish a routine, and allocate time for self-care and personal growth. By taking care of yourself, you'll be more productive, focused, and motivated to achieve success in your freelance career. By investing time and effort into developing these high-demand skills and implementing the tips for online freelance success, You'll be well equipped to thrive as an online freelancer in 2023 and beyond. Remember, the key to success is continuous learning and adaptation. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and tips to help you succeed in the digital era.